Hi lovies! Welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm heading out to London and I'll be taking you along with me. Lock the door. Come a friend hot. I don't know if it's a me thing, but I find these caps to be so cute. It's just ugly and nice. Because it was so late, the train station was basically closed, so we purchased our tickets from the kiosk. Jail and I absolutely love traveling on these trains. It's spacious, fairly clean, and if not always, it's mostly empty. Maybe one day I'll do a video on the train or do one comparing it to the undergrounds in the heart of London. That one? Yes, that festive bad. Collect some money. Ooh, yeah. Quick story time. I wanted to go Fontana, but the traffic was too thick, so I went to a beauty store close by in Crossroads. What did I see? Prisma. Prisma, guys. When you see my face, you can't tell nobody me not wearing Fenty. Yeah, so we're now at Liverpool Street, and as you can see, the dollar them come right out because it's Halloween. We're finally at our destination and the birthday girl is out. Watch queen, watch prettiness, watch pretty in pink. Excuse me, Siki. Yeah, girl nice. Girl nice. Guys, at this point, the vibe was everything. Everybody turned singer, everybody turned dancer, good food, good music, good vibes, and we cheers to that. Finally home, showered and ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later.